In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a double exposure effect in Canva. This is a fun and creative way to mix two images into one beautiful piece of art. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, you can easily sign up for one. It's free and gives you access to a wide array of design tools and resources. Once you're in, the possibilities are endless. But today, we're focused on creating a double exposure effect. Next, create a new design. You can choose any size you like, but for consistency, I suggest starting with a standard template like an Instagram post or an A4 document. This gives you a nice canvas to work with and makes it easy to download and share your final image once we're done. Now, for the double exposure effect, we need a good foundation image. So you'll want to upload or search for a portrait photo. Portraits work best for this effect as they provide a clear subject against which the second image can be overlaid. You can either upload your own photo or search through Canva's extensive library for one you like. With your portrait chosen, let's make it stand out. Go to Edit Photo and click on the Background Remover tool. This tool is essential as it helps isolate the subject of your photo from the background, creating a clear and clean base for your double exposure effect. Once the background is removed, it's time to explore Canva's vast library for a second image. You'll want to look for something that provides great contrast and texture. Think landscapes, city skylines, or mountain ranges. These types of images add depth and intrigue to the final composition, setting the stage for a striking double exposure effect. Once you've found your second image, simply drag it over your portrait. It should automatically snap into place, covering the portrait. Don't worry, this is where the magic happens. Select the overlay image, head to the transparency tool, and adjust the settings to somewhere between 40 and 60%. This step is crucial as it blends the two images seamlessly, creating that iconic double exposure look. Adjust the slider to achieve the desired artistic effect. The balance is key. Too much transparency can wash out the effect, and too little can obscure your portrait. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your masterpiece. Click on Share in the top right corner, then Download. For the best quality, opt for the PNG format. It preserves the details of your design and is ideal for digital use. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a stunning double exposure effect in Canva. Enjoy experimenting with different combinations and personalizing your designs. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.